Mine in Belize, Iesha Renee Lambey, my Patson Richards here, proud member of the Pablo Lambey Foundation and proud granddaughter of Pablo Lambey. When I think about what my grandfather has meant to not just my family, but to the Griffin community, it makes me feel honored to be a part of an organization that is dedicated to taking on um, what my grandfather's legacy has been and what he dedicated his life to, which was preserving the Griffin culture and discerning ways to continue to move the people forward. Speaking of moving forward, the Pablo Lambey Foundation has amazing resources that are developed that will help you and or your family on your personal journey of moving forward, of excelling in life in the way that you deserve to. As a licensed mental health counselor and a business owner, as well as a human being, I understand that it's difficult to feel emotionally and mentally safe, much less get to a place of operating as your highest functioning self and your best self if you don't feel self-sufficient within your life. Pablo Lambey Foundation understands this, and this is the reason that we have these programs put together. We have scholarship programs, so definitely encourage you to enroll into that. We also have assistance for uniforms, school supplies, backpacks, and also, through this journey of life and getting towards your goals, there's times where there's going to be pitfalls. You're going to question yourself. You may doubt yourself. And those are the times that I've learned that it's personally important to know what you're rooted in and remember who you are. So it's helped me personally during my challenging moment to remember the words of my grandfather and the things that he reminded me of, which is the fact that I have generations of ancestors who were warriors, and if they are me and I am them, then that strength is within me as well. So, being able to also be a part of our program where you learn about the Griffin language, that you learn about the music, the culture, the food, can help you to connect with the strength within you. So I encourage you to take full advantage of all the opportunities that the Pablo Lambey Foundation has in store for you. I'm excited for you to be a part of this journey with us. And as my grandfather would say, onward ever, backward never. Excelsior.
Inanisali, Aye. So give a little friend on it, give a little yafa, give a little dignity wamago. The Emelity Dawa, wave was doing a Kala, Lube was dignity, wogo. My blade of my